Hi, good morning students. Today I am going to revise differentiation which we have already studied in last week. Okay, so differentiation, especially we study the topics differentiation of implicit function. Implicit function. Differentiation of implicit function. What is implicit function? If we have given a function which are not separable for y in terms of x or x in terms of y, that particular function is called implicit function. So suppose we have given ax square plus bx plus ax square plus bx plus cy square is equal to 0. This is an implicit function and we need to find the differentiation of this function. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x, we have what we have d by dx of ax square plus d by dx of bx plus d by dx of cy square is equal to 0. Now this is 2ax plus b plus 2cy, this is equal to 0, and dy by dx. So what is the value of dy by dx here? Dy by dx is nothing but minus 2ax plus b divided by 2c. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay, so note it down. Okay, now see another example. ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. For this function you need to find dy by dx. So d by dx of ax square plus d by dx of 2hxy plus d by dx of by square plus d by dx of 2gx plus d by dx of 2fy plus d by dx of c, this is equals to 0. Okay, now this is 2ax plus 2h and here two functions are there, x, y. So we use the product rule, d by dx of xy. That means first function x dy by dx plus second function y plus this is 2by dy by dx plus 2g plus 2f dy by dx is equal to 0. Y d by dx of constant is 0. Okay, so this implies 2ax plus 2g, okay, 2g plus 2hy plus 2hx plus 2by plus 2f, this is dy by dx, and this is nothing but 0. Okay, so dy by dx is nothing but minus of 2 ax plus hy plus g divided by 2 hx plus by plus 2 that means f and 2 cancel. So what is the value of dy by dx? So dy by dx is nothing but what? Ax minus of ax plus hy plus g divided by hx plus by plus f. This is the value of dy by dx. Is that clear? Okay, so note it down. Okay, now differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. So write down differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. So what is differentiation of inverse trigonometric function? D by dx of sine inverse x. This is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of cos inverse x minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. And d by dx of sec inverse x, this is 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. D by dx of cosec inverse x, this is 1 upon x root of x square minus 1, minus of 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. Okay, so this is the differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Now we are going to see the proof, how to prove it. So first one, d by dx of sine inverse x. Now we are going to see the proof. So first one, let y is equals to sine inverse x. So this means sine y is equals to x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we have cos y dy by dx, this is equals to 1. So dy by dx, this is nothing but 1 upon cos y. D by dx of y is nothing but sine inverse x. And 1 upon cos y, this can be written as 1 minus sine square y. So we put the value d by dx of sine inverse of x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So this is the differentiation of inverse trigonometric function sine inverse x. Okay. Similarly, you can do other questions, proof of this inverse trigonometric function. Now we shall see some examples, like if we have given a function y is equals to cos inverse, if y is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, okay, then find dy by dx, then find dy by dx. So y is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, okay. How to differentiate it? We cannot differentiate directly. We put the substitution. Let x is equals to tan theta, then theta is equals to tan inverse of x. Now y is nothing but cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and you know very well this is y is equals to cos inverse cos 2 theta, because this is the formula for cos 2 theta. Now this is y is equals to 2 theta, and y is equal to 2. Theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. So dy by dx is nothing but 2, and d by dx of tan inverse x. So answer is dy by dx. This is nothing but 2 upon 1 plus x square. So this is the value of dy by dx. Okay, so note it down. Okay, now we are going to see the differentiation of logarithmic and exponential function. Differentiation of logarithmic and exponential function. Differentiation of logarithmic and exponential function. Exponential function. Differentiation of logarithmic and exponential function. So you know very well d by dx of e power x. This is e power x. D by dx of e power x. This is e power x log of e base a. D by dx of log x base a base e. This is 1 upon x, and d by dx of log x base a. This is 1 upon x log a base e. So these are the formula for logarithmic and exponential function. Now some properties of log. We can see some properties of log. Log of m into n. This is log of m plus log of n. Log of m by n. This is nothing but log of m minus log of n. Log of m power n. This is n log m. Okay, this is the natural logarithm, that is base e. Okay, now another formula, log a base b is equals to 1 upon log b base a. Log a base b is log of a upon log of b at any base. Okay, this is log a base b. Yes. Okay, so these are the some formula based on log. Now we do some questions based on logarithmic differentiation, like suppose y is equals to x to the power x. Here power is variable, so how to differentiate it? If this is, then find dy by dx. Okay, so y is equals to x power x, so log y is what? Solution. Y is equals to x power x, so log y is what? Log of x power x, so log of y is equal to x log x. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, we get, what you get, 1 upon y dy by dx, as you know, and this is differentiation of product of two function x log x. So first function, differentiation of second function, plus second function differentiation of first function, and we get the solution as 1 upon y x 1 upon x plus log x, and there dy by dx is equals to, so dy by dx is nothing but y 1 plus log x. So dy by dx, this is nothing but x to the power x 1 plus log x. This is the solution for this question. Okay, so up to this topic we had to complete it, and this is the summary of the topics which we had to teach in last week. So please note it down. Thank you very much.